what to do when life gives you a lot of lemons.
These days my garden is blooming with lots of giant lemons and they taste so amazing that I love to prepare so many recipes out of lemons these days. As a rich source of vitamin C, lemon protects the body from immune system deficiencies. With its powerful antibacterial properties, lemon helps fight infections, also acts as a detoxifying agent.
Welcome to Bhavna's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share few quick instant recipes using lemon. I love to freeze juice of lemons to prepare the lemonade anytime. First, let me show you how to prepare lemon sugar preserve for the cocktails and the desserts. Thoroughly clean the lemons. Trim the nubs of both ends of each lemon. Remove the seeds and the white pith. Cut the lemons into cubes. Into the food processor cup, take 3 cups of cubed lemons, half cup of sugar. Blend lemon and sugar together to a chunky or fine mixture the way you like to use in your cocktails. The mixture then can be preserved for up to 3 months into the refrigerator and use as needed. Next, I'm going to show you how to make sweet and spicy lemon pickle. Into the pot, take 3 cups of cubed lemons. Take the pressure cooker pot, add about a cup of water. Using the pot-in-pot method, steam the lemon cubes on a medium to high heat. Hear about 2 to 3 whistles. When done, release the pressure and open the pressure cooker carefully. From half of the lemon, I'm going to make first sweet, spicy lemon pickle. Into the steamed lemons, add half cup of sugar, red chili powder to taste, salt to taste, turmeric powder, haldi, a pinch of hing, asafoetida, and little bit of oil. Mix everything together really well. Refrigerate for up to 3 months and enjoy with any Indian meal. Next, I'm going to make hot lemon pickle. Sambar masala is made out of 1/4 cup of ground fenugreek seeds, methi, half cup of mild chili powder, lal mirch, a pinch of turmeric, haldi, a pinch of asafoetida, hing, and salt to taste. Mix it all and pickle sambar masala is ready to use. Into the 1.5 cups of steamed lemon, add half cup of pickle sambar masala and 1/4 cup of oil. Pickle sambar masala, which has everything, ground fenugreek, all the other spices. Refrigerate hot instant pickle for up to 3 months and enjoy with Indian meals. Now you can store all these instant lemon recipes into the jar and refrigerate for up to 3 to 4 months. The lemon with just the sugar can be used in cocktails. You can spread on the toast, or you can use in many other dessert recipes, or even spicy and savory recipes as well. And those sweet pickle and the hot pickle can be served with Indian meal. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can also download the Bhavna's Kitchen apps for free on your Android, iOS devices. If you want to watch me on the big screen, you can watch me on a Roku channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon.